Hello everyone and welcome back to our English classes. I hope you're doing well today. Now, this video marks the start of a series of videos that we are going to be doing to review all the content in the book, okay? Vamos a repasar todos los temas que vimos durante todo el año para asegurarnos de que los aprendieron bien y para que estén bien preparados para tercero. Because I'm going to tell you a secret. Yo soy la teacher de tercero y tercer grado es difícil. So, let's start. Okay, so we're going to start with Unit 1. In Unit 1, we learned how to introduce ourselves, how to introduce other people, how to speak about our school supplies, school subjects, and how to organize our subjects into a schedule. So let's try to remember. First, we're going to start with self-introduction. Introducing yourself means giving basic information to people about who you are. Significa dar información básica sobre quién eres a alguna persona que te lo esté preguntando, ¿sí? Si no sabes qué información incluir en tu presentación personal, asegúrate de responder estas preguntas básicas, ¿sí? What's your first name? What's your last name? How old are you? And what do you like? Yes? Let's do the example with me, all right? I'm going to introduce myself, okay? My first name is Valentina. My last name is Diaz. I am 25 years old and I like practicing karate and listening to music. Si se dan cuenta, en esta presentación personal que acabo de hacer, respondí todas estas preguntas básicas que les acabo de dar, ¿sí? Now, let's try introducing someone else. Vamos a tratar de presentar a otra persona, ¿ok? If you want to introduce someone else, you're going to do the same thing, okay? You're going to answer the same questions we answered before. But we are going to change my for her or his, depending if it's a boy or a girl. Let's see the example. His first name is Tony. His last name is Stark. He is 49 years old. He likes science and technology. He is Iron Man and he has a big company. You see? Acabo de responder todas esas preguntas, pero además incluí información extra que ya yo sabía de él. Así que una vez hayan respondido todas estas preguntas básicas, pueden incluir información extra que ya ustedes sepan para complementarlo. Alright? Alright. The next topic that we have is school supplies. Like the name says, it is all the things that we use at school. Son nuestros útiles escolares. In this unit, we talk about them and we describe them by saying the color and the number of the supplies that we have. All right, let's see the example. We have a pair of scissors, 2 purple sharpeners, 3 blue crayons, 1 blue pen, 1 yellow pencil, a red book, a green notebook, 1 transparent ruler, a pink school bag, and a white lunchbox. These are the basic supplies that we learned in the book, but maybe you have something else, okay? The next topic that we learned in the book is school subjects and scheduling. Lo último que aprendimos, y una de las cosas más importantes, in Unit 1 was school subjects, que ustedes saben que se refiere a las materias que vemos en el colegio y al horario, ¿sí? A schedule is a table with all the activities that we do during the week with the times that we do it, all right? A schedule helps us order all of those activities and let us speak about them in an orderly way, all right? The school subjects that we have are English, science, PE or physical education, social studies, art, math, music, and computer class. Now, let's try to order this in a schedule so you can see it better. Now, in this table, we are going to have some rules to speak about it. Vamos a tener algunas reglas para poder hablar de las actividades que hacemos durante la semana, ¿sí? First, we say the day of the week. Then we say the subject, the school subject. And then we say the time, all right? Para hablar del horario decimos el día, la materia y la hora, en ese orden, ¿ok? Listen to the examples. On Monday, I have English at 7 a.m. On Wednesday, I have computer class at 8:30 a.m. On Friday, I have social studies at 7 a.m. You see? It's super easy. You just have to remember the order: day of the week, school subject, and time of your class. Now, in Unit 2, we'll learn how to see the difference between simple present and present continuous. We learn how to create very basic comparatives, and we also learned about the different means of transportation that we can use. So let's try to remember. First, we have present simple and present continuous, which would be the grammar for this unit. Present simple is used to speak about facts, routines, and habits. For example, we have the sky is blue. That is a fact. A fact es algo que no se puede cambiar. The sky is blue. That's it. Then we have Maria buys empanadas on Fridays. That can be a routine or a habit. Juan brushes his teeth before bed every day. That is also a routine or a habit. Now, the structure for this is super easy as well, okay? We have subject, verb, and complement. Yes? Super easy. But, warning, remember, in third person, he, she, or it, the verb has an S. ¿Ok? En tercera persona, the simple present, el verbo tiene S al final. Yes? Si no lleva S, eso no es tercera persona, simple present. Alright, so be super careful. I'm watching you. Now, about present continuous. In this grade, we are going to use present continuous to speak about things happening in the moment. Alright? En este grado vamos a utilizar el presente continuo para hablar de cosas que están ocurriendo en este momento, ¿sí? En grados superiores utilizarán el presente continuo para otras cosas más difíciles. Para nosotros nos interesa describir qué está pasando ahorita. Alright? For example, the teacher is explaining something. Or it is raining, if it's raining. Or even the students are watching this video. The structure for this is subject, verb to be, verb with ing, and complement. Now, warning, please remember, nunca se olviden, por favor, del verbo to be. Nunca se lo olviden. Porque a muchos se les olvida, de verdad. Y algo que tienen perfecto, no lo tienen tan bien porque se nos olvida el verbo to be. please remember, si colocan solamente el verbo con ing, eso no va a estar bueno. Porque present continuous is subject, verb to be, verb with ing, and complement. That is the only way, es la única manera. Alright? Now, the vocabulary that we used in this unit was means of transportation. They are vehicles or machines that helped us get around or move on the street, yes? Los medios de transporte son máquinas o vehículos que nos permiten desplazarnos de un lugar a otro, alright? We can move by train, by bus, by bicycle, by car, by carriage, maybe even by foot. Our body can be a means of transportation as well, alright? Nuestro cuerpo también puede ser un medio de transporte cuando caminamos de un lugar a otro. Now, we also learned how to say the means of transportation that we use to go to different places. And this lo aprendimos utilizando unas preguntas muy específicas. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. How do the children go to school? The children go to school by car. How do they go to the park? They go to the park on foot. Pero, again, otra vez, la tercera persona, he, she or it. La pregunta y la respuesta va a cambiar un poquito, ¿ok? Fíjense bien. How does your dad go to work? My dad goes to work by car. How does your mother go to work? My mother goes to work by train. How does your brother go to the USA? My brother goes to the USA by plane. Vamos a utilizar does en vez de do y goes en vez de go. Y fíjense que la mayoría de su respuesta está en la pregunta que le están haciendo. No necesitan ponerse creativos. Alright? You have to be simple. Keep it simple. And last but not least, we have comparatives, or very basic comparatives. Los comparativos son palabras que nos permiten comparar dos objetos. They allow us to compare two objects. Remember the words older, younger, newer, faster, or slower. Those are comparatives. Son palabras que se forman con un adjetivo que le colocamos ER al final. Y luego agregamos la palabra than. Look at the example. Adjective, old. And the comparative is older than. Adjective, new. The comparative is newer than. Adjective, fast. The comparative is faster than. Alright, it's super easy. Now, in sentences, the examples are: a car is faster than a bicycle. The train is newer than the carriage. And my grandmother is older than me. You see? We are comparing two objects. We are comparing two people as well. También podemos comparar personas o animales. Cualquier cosa que ustedes quieran comparar, pueden utilizar los comparativos. Alright? And finally, with this, we finish all the contents for units 1 and 2 of this book. I hope you remember everything, and as always, if you have any questions, please write me a private message on WhatsApp and I will gladly answer you. Bye! See you soon!